Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. And if you've seen the title and the thumbnail, we are doing another wig sale. So for the last few months, we've been doing the wig sales on the 16th of every single month. And so far, even though last month I almost had to postpone it, we got through it and we survived. There were a few hiccups with the last wig sale, but I promise those things won't happen again this month. So this one, again, keeping with the tradition, let me make sure I get the times and dates correctly. July 16th, 2022, which is this Saturday, and we're going to be doing 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So they're always 6 p.m. East Coast time, and what that means for you, if you are on the West Coast, you will be 3 p.m. If you are Mountain Time or if you are in the Midwest, your times will be different as well. Go ahead and Google, if you're new to this, go ahead and Google the time zone that you live in just by typing in your zip code and typing in time zone, and it'll help you to convert 6 p.m. Eastern time to your specific time zone. So I have all the specific details listed in the description box, including a direct link. This one is going to be US only as always, so be sure to check the description box on your way out. So the website is www.ashleybedeckhair.com. See you there this Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and happy shopping.